It's time
to fire this thing up.
Hit it. What we have here is a classic 1988 21-foot Chris Craft Seahawk. It actually belongs to one of my employees, Mike Strickland. He's been working on it, and it's been on the show for many, many years. Mike actually had this engine right here in storage for about 9-10 years, Daryl.
Yep.
And I need to introduce you to everybody. Who we have first on the program is Daryl. Daryl is with a company called Boat Steer. And today on the program, guys, if you're into outboard maintenance, you're gonna lose your minds. We're gonna show you how to do a compression test, which is vital if you're ever going to buy somebody's used engine. You need to know how to do this yourself. We're going to be getting into the fuel system a little bit. We're gonna be showing you how to change out various pumps on the motor in order to get the engine to run. But Mike needed, before we could get to this stage of the project, Daryl, he needed to make sure that the hydraulic steering was up to snuff. Your company, Boat Steer, rebuilt the helm, rebuilt the ram, and you sent over 2 new hydraulic steering lines for us to put in.
Yes.
And Daryl, you said never have something rebuilt by us and then run old hydraulic fluid that might be in these hoses into what you just rebuilt.
Either flush them or replace them.
Right, it's going to contaminate it if you do it.
Yes.
So we replaced the lines. But when I saw the care package that you sent over, you also sent over these items right here. And what do you call these?
These are our mini tamers.
Okay, and what are they for? What's the problem with the battery?
Well, when you have all your wiring stacked up on one post.
So okay, your engine.
You've got your engine, your bilge pump, your lights. You got a battery charger on there?
Okay, yeah, they're kind of going all the way around. You got all
Yep.
these ring terminals. You got the lug kind of holding them down. What's the problem with that?
Well, you've got heat, you've got corrosion, you've got voltage drops.
Okay, so how does this solve those problems?
What this does is this will drop down over the terminal, and now you have individual connections for your wiring.
So you can do 6 individual connections with perfect contact going into, is this pure copper? Is this a pure copper base?
99.9% pure copper.
About as pure as you can get.
Yep.
Okay, and that is the ultimate contact when it comes to current, guys, is you want that. And now, if you ever need to disconnect from the battery, all of your wires are still in place. You don't have to go chase wires. You just set it off the side, you put it right back on. How much is a set of these? You call them terminal tamers. This is the mini tamer.
Those are the minis. They are $49.95.
Okay, and what's the regular size? And what's that for?
Our standard tamers, they are $59.95.
Where could somebody at home maybe get one or get more information?
Those you can get at our website at boatsteer.com.
Guys, today's program is going to be awesome, especially if you're into mechanical work on outboards. But first, we need to acknowledge all the fabulous companies in the marine industry who help make this show possible.